It was a little teeny tiny one, but...
What was it?
A little teeny tiny spider crawling on my chest. I was like, "Oi, hello there! How's it going, you bud?"
Well, today we're gonna be doing the shocks on this old girl. Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we're gonna be working on my wife's Magnum. We have got to finish up the suspension on it. The suspension bushing so we can get it aligned. We've already ruined these front tires from letting it sit for driving it for so long without an alignment, so but they're to the point where they might be popping soon, so
Could see the wires.
so today we're gonna finish up the front, so everything in the front will be, you know, brand new before we go and get in alignment. Then we'll flip it around and put all the bushings that I got from that energy suspension kit onto the back of the car. All right, so this one's gonna be relatively simple. We just got to remove the sway bar end links. He's got 21 on there right now. Let's see how long I let him struggle with that before I do it for him.
I'm getting it.
And then
Ow! Pinched my finger.
We'll do the bottom bolt there. And actually, I learned the hard way, this nut is welded. So don't try twisting that because it's not going to go anywhere.
Oh boy.
You need to put a wrench on this side, the bolt, and back it out. And then it's just these three on top, these three nuts. And maybe it'll let us sneak it out of there. I don't know, we'll find out. Alright. Tie rod's off the front here.
Can I put my foot on anything?
Trying to take the saddle bolts off.
Can I put my foot right here?
Yeah, just don't kick the car over when you're doing it. You're fine. Just don't push with your foot when you let go.
Oh my god, that hurts my hands. It's like a knife.
Come on, you got this. Whoa, scary. Alright, let me do that.
Hold on. Nope.
A little more leverage on her, see if he can do it this time.
It's like springing back.
Yeah. Fight the power.
Fight the power. Got it.
There it is. That's how you do her. Okay. Hopefully this don't come falling on my toes. Okay.
Spread your toes out. Or your feet.
I don't know if I can sneak it out. I might need you to step on this.
On that?
Yeah. Because we're just a little. I don't know if it'll even go down more.
Doesn't look like it. Maybe like a half an inch. No, not even.
It's not going down anymore.
It's not. What's it? Is it stuck on like right here?
We'll have to undo these top bolts here, I think.
Leaking. Up there?
Yeah, these control arm bolts, and let it swing forward, and then it should let me take it out.
Okay.
So I decided to just take this nut off. I used to be afraid of ball joints. That's why I instinctively wanted to just stay away from it. But now that I know how to do it...
Ow.
Did it come off yet?
What is that?
Coming off yet?
It doesn't look like it's budging. Oh, that is so close to coming off.
Alright, let me whack her again. I got a whacker. There it goes. You see it fall?
Oh yeah, I see that now. That is so loud.
Alright, where did the socket go?
Right under me.
Nope,
No,
that's
not.
Alright. I'll let it down, see if it doesn't kick our jack out, hopefully.
Oh, that's gonna be scary. Slowly, but surely. Oh, we're good.
He wants to go more. There we go. Okay.
Now we're off. Okay. Excuse you.
Yeah.
What's moving?
I think we can get this guy out now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's out.
Alright.
We got
We
it.
just got to do the same thing on the other side and get the new ones in.
Now that we know what we're doing.
Yeah. Oh, turn that off. Or turn it down. Got the new. This is what I went with, the KYB assemblies. So just like you see here, a whole new one of those are going to go back in. Let's see what they look like.
Oh, wow, that came off very easily.
Oh man, I think it's heavier.
Shiny.
Cool.
Does the new one have more coils than the?
It does. This is a progressive spring rate. This is an upgrade.
Ooh.
That one's factory. Good catch.
You didn't notice that or know that when you got it?
Well, I was looking at it, man. You beat me to it by a hair.
Ha ha ha.
So yeah, this one is a progressive spring rate. This is
That one's got like twice as many wraps.
the only assembled set that that AutoZone had to offer. So that's what I went with, just because I hate trying to press those springs on and off of those things. And they're factory, so they could do to be replaced. Yeah, they look to be the same length, so I think we're going to go ahead and put them in. There we go. Almost. There we go.
There we go.
Okay.
I don't wanna. So now we just gotta move this up.
Yeah. But we got those washers in there too at the same time.
It's gonna suck.
We got the shock on both sides. Just gotta tighten up the sway bar links there and get these ball joints tightened back down.
There we go now.
Alright, so after putting these on, it said it was going to sit a little taller than normal and some settling will happen, but that is tall.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, we use the wheel chocks?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow, those tires are bent outward. Oh, he's driving away. Oh. breaking them in, swerving. It looks a bit more even now. Ooh, that exhaust gets close. Definitely aren't scraping the ground anymore.
Okay. Just get a look at it while it's sitting there. Oh wow, it actually
Settled quite a bit.
yeah, it settled a lot. So
Looks a lot more even now. You can still tell there's a bit of a difference, but
which it drives so much better, man.
yeah.
It's nice. Yeah, those shocks were bad for sure. It is.
Is it quieter?
It doesn't make that sound anymore, yeah. And it also just the smoothness.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not just floating up and down as you're going down the road.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I don't know if we're gonna stop it here or not. We're gonna think about it. I'll let you know. Well, guys, that is gonna be it for this video. It's already getting to about the 15-minute mark, and the next video, for the rear end, I don't have enough time to do it, so I want to get another video out for you guys, and then the next video will be just for the rear end. But as you can see, it sits a lot higher, but it still looks level to the ground, so I don't know what that's about. It had a rake before, I guess I didn't realize, but yeah, and she drove it to the bank and back, and it did settle a little bit, but it feels pretty good. The shocks are good, and that it's just amazing how much smoother it is. So that, what is it, that variable spring rate, or what's it called? What was the word? Anyway, it feels great. So it's going to work out good, and then as soon as I get those back bushings in, we can get a line. But that's going to be it. Like I said, thanks, and please hit the subscribe button and share. You know, apparently that does something. I've just now got 1,000 subscribers, so that's a milestone for me. Thank you guys very much for all that, for all your views, all your comments. Just make sure you're hitting that subscribe button for me, and you know, it helps me out, helps us all out, right? All right, guys, have a good one. Hi, Tonka. You feel better? We just brushed him, or she just brushed him, and this is all what came off of him. Look at all the wind's taking it all away. Look, it's all dog hair from this fat oaf. Don't play in it, Cody. It's hair.